How to add service charge to a check. First, begin a check and add items to it. Tap on the Service Charges option in the right menu section. Service charges can be applied to single items or to the entire check. Service charges can be applied as a fixed amount, or as a percentage of an item, or the total check. Based on the service charge you selected, enter a percentage value or fixed dollar amount. To delete a service charge from the check, first select the tip line on the left of the screen. Click on Check Functions, then click Void Item.